Chandigarh Airport to be named after Shahid Bhagat Singh. Recently, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and Haryana Deputy CM Dushyant Chautala collectively decided to name Chandigarh International Airport after Shahid Bhagat Singh. Earlier, Punjab Vidhan Sabha had passed a resolution to name the airport as Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh International Airport, Mohali, but Haryana objected it due to Mohali in its name. Later, Haryana Vidhan Sabha passed a resolution on renaming the terminal, but with the use of Chandigarh. He was an Indian socialist revolutionary and folk hero of India's independence movement following his 2 acts of dramatic violence against the British and his execution at age 23. Bhagat Singh and his associate Shivaram Rajguru had shot a British police officer, John Saunders, in December 1928. Following this, Bhagat Singh, aged 23, was convicted and hanged on March 23, 1931. Background: Bhagat Singh was a Sandhu Jat. He was born in 1907 in Punjab Province.